Friends, home and abroad, I welcome you this moment to Biafra Universal TV. Without taking much of your time, I want to tell you that the Biafrans have not much time to spend in Nigeria anymore, and therefore there is a serious and wonderful joy, jubilation, celebration in advance for Biafra restoration. So don't allow anybody to tell you about the restoration of Biafra. I would like you to be there. I would like you to witness the Biafra restoration. So for this reason, I'm glad now to inform you that world leaders have, in their own wisdom, moved into the Biafra independence to ensure that there is peace and harmony. So I want you to rejoice because any moment from now, the Egyptians you know and you used to see in Biafra land, you will not see them again. And you can sleep with the two eyes closed. Don't forget that today there was a battle in Anambra, so which led to some issues which I will not bring for you on the social media this moment. But what I want to let you know is that anyhow you like, look at it. Do you know that there is a problem between South Africa and Nigeria today? As South Africa government recognized the Biafra, restoration. So whether you like it or not, it is going to happen before you, and I want you to be alive and celebrate Biafra as a nation. And my prayer, both for those who are fighting against the Biafrans and fighting against the Biafra nation, and those who love Biafrans and those who want Biafra nation to come, my prayer for all of you is to be alive and witness the Biafra sovereign nation in no distant time from now. We are counting weeks. We are no more counting months. So when we said December 2nd, so this is September, October, November, just a few weeks ahead. So by the grace of Almighty God, our heart desire shall be completely granted. So you who is crying, stop crying. We have men on the ground and we have supportive hands, both home and diaspora, to make sure that peace and fairness reign in the land of Biafra. So we don't believe in violence. We don't believe in killings. We don't believe in maltreating anybody. So we believe in justice. We don't like injustice. We welcome justice. And I'm telling you, as it stands this moment, the men who shall bring justice to us in Biafra land have fully arrived. And what we are waiting for is that day that shall be wonderful, and everybody, both the enemies and the friends, shall rejoice with the Biafrans because the God of Biafra have granted their prayers and their heart desires. So we didn't demand much. So just our birthright is what we demanded for. But some people are finding it difficult to see reason to grant our heart desire and our birthright to us, which I'm telling you is already done. And come to Mazi Kanu's issue. Seriously, the land is being heated. So to make sure that Mazi Kanu is out, because Mazi Kanu cannot be in the DSS abyss, and the Biafra referendum will be conducted. So Mazi Kanu shall be there, live and direct. Mazi Kanu shall take care of his people. So, fellow Biafrans, rejoice, because there is light at the end of the tunnel. Your efforts are not in vain. And the gallant men, the heroes from Biafra land who have fallen because of to get the sovereign state of Biafra, that day, their spirits shall be there. And the living, the commanders and generals from Biafra land shall be there to witness the final restoration of Biafra kingdom. So before I leave you, you must understand one thing, and that one thing you must understand is that in unity we stand. So because united minority, divided majority. So the unification of Biafran leaders, Biafran agitators, and Biafra freedom fighters is very important. And we can see the manifestation of Biafran's unity. So there is no disparity, no segregation, no tribalism. In one accord, we agree to move the mountain. And the mountain have been moved. So the next thing is for us to occupy that land that flows with milk and honey. That land that never grow old. So permit me to say that it is not good for you to drag what does not belong to you. Nigeria government is dragging Biafra land, which does not belong to Nigeria, because everybody have his own land of nativity. And he quickly forgot that it's an intrusion. When you intrude into the land that does not belong to you, it's a trespass. An ignorant is not an excuse to the law. So whether Nigeria have a law or not, they shall face the consequences which they are going through today. I'm telling you that the whole world today recognized Biafra and at the same time Biafra nation. So don't be deceived, and don't let anybody shake your mind or make you to be frustrated. No, this is the time to will out your best, and your best is what the whole world is waiting to see. They want to see your best in this Biafra agitation as a Biafran without further delay. So we are going peacefully, all right? Just like Mazi Kanu instructed, we should make sure that the land of Biafra is calm and peaceful. And that is what we are doing. So we don't want anybody to die, because now The people we are fighting for are the one